Problem 11a on your problem solving should look pretty familiar. They're using our sketching method. And it says which model represents 13 times 13 equals 169. They give us 4 different sketches. They want us to tell them which sketch is correct, which one actually shows 13 times 13. The good thing about questions like this is you don't really have to figure out what the answer is. All you have to do is look at the sketches, and a lot of times, like they're doing here, they'll actually label them for us. Now, sometimes they might not, but a lot of times they will. And if they do label them, it makes it even simpler to find my correct answer. This is what I want to focus on. 13 times 13. So I should see a 13 along the top, and I should see 13 on the side, either the left side or the right side, though usually it'll be here on the left side. Answer choice A, I see 13 on the top. But if I look on the sides, I don't see any labels. If I did make my own label here, if I looked at just the edge, all I would see is 1. So the sketch for answer choice A is 13 times 1. That's not what we're looking for. We're looking for 13 times 13. So I'm going to cross it out. B, I see 10 and 3 along the top. Now I might automatically go, well, 10 and 3 isn't 13, but if I add them together, 10 plus 3, what would I get if I added 10 plus 3? Kylie? 13. So they really did put 13 on the top. But on the side, I don't see 13. On the side, all I see is 3. So model B shows me 13 times 3. That's not what I want either. Answer choice C shows me 13 on the top. And if I look on the side, it shows me 2. So this would be 13 times 2. Not what I want either. Answer choice D says 10 plus 3, but like Kylie told me earlier, if I put 10 plus 3, that would actually give me 13. And if I look on the side, I see another 10 and 3. So again, if I put 10 plus 3, I would get 13. 13 times 13. So answer choice D is my answer. So these kinds of problems, all you have to do is pay close attention to the model they're showing you. 11b is very similar, except this time it says which model represents 15 times 15. So now I'm not looking for 13 times 13, I'm looking for 15 times 15. I look at model F. Along the top, they gave me a 10 and a 5, and on the side, they gave me a 5. Who can tell me, does model F show me 15 times 15? Is that the model that I'm looking for? Kylie, is that the model I'm looking for? No. This would be 10 plus 5 is 15, but that's just 5 by itself. That's 15 times 5. That's not what I want. What about G? Model G, I see a 10 and a 5 on the top. I see a 10 and a 5 side. Is model G the model that I'm looking for? Jaylene? No, Bella. Your microphone isn't working, Jaylene. I could see your lips moving, but I wasn't able to hear you at all. Try unplugging and replugging in your headphones. Sometimes, for whatever reason, it doesn't want to work the first time you plug something in. Yeah. That's 10 plus 5 and 10 plus 5. 15 and 15. What about H? I've got 15 on the top, 2 on the side. Jada, is this the model I'm looking for? Does answer choice H show me 15 times 15? So if it's got 15 on one side and 2 on the other side, that's 15 times 15, Jada? No, that's 15 times 2. Remember, you have to pay attention to the labels that they give you. Or you could count the squares. I could count 15 squares on the top, but on the side I only count 1, 2. And what about J? I see 10 on the top. I see 10 and 5 on the side. Does model J show me 15 times 15? Christopher? That's alright, Jada. Just have to look carefully. What would you say, Christopher? Model J, does it show me the problem I need or not? Who can tell me, model J? Is that the model I'm looking for? Does that show me 15 times 15? Jaylene? No. I've got 15 on one side, but the other side is just 10. The only one that shows me what I wanted was G. I want you to do problem 12A and problem 12B, and we'll check them together in a little. Find the model that matches the multiplication problem they're looking for. Problem 12A, who can tell me which of their sketches actually shows 12 times 12? Bella, which model shows me 12 times 12? Is it A, B, C, or D? Model A. 10 and 2 gives me 12. 10 and 2 gives me 12. 12B. Who can tell me which model actually shows me 16 times 16? Is it F, G, H, or J? Sebastian. Which one would it be, Sebastian? Answer choice G. It's close, but it's not the one I'm looking for. I want a model that shows me 16 times 16. Who can help me out? Which model shows me 16 times 16? Chase? Answer choice F. Answer choice G shows me 16 on the top, but the side only has 10. So if I wanted 16 times 10, that would be the one, but they want 16 times 16. Answer choice F shows me 10 and 6, gives me 16. And the side shows me 10 and 6, which gives me 16.